What's up, friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Frimpoma, and if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking my video, and thank you. What is that noise? So if you're new here, thank you so much for clicking my video, and thank you so much for hitting the red button down here to subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for still supporting my channel. Okay, so before anything else, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody who has been supporting me and be sharing my videos and links on all their social media platforms without me even asking. I really appreciate it. So let's get into today's video. About 2 years ago, if you asked me which of all my hair was my best wig, I would say this hair. But today, I'm not sure I can say the same thing for this hair. Why? Because I feel some frizziness in this hair. Okay, it used to be very silky and, you know, very shiny and all that. I know this is not 100% human hair. For those of you who are going to leave that in my comment section, this is not 100% human hair, but it's a human hair fiber. It's a human fiber hair, and I can curl it, I can straighten it. So I thought that if it is a fiber, then why don't I just boil my hair to take off this frizziness? Because I've boiled my human hairs before and they work like magic. So today I'm going to try it on my human fiber hair and see how good it works for me. Okay, because I really love this hair and I don't want to waste my money by throwing it away. So we're also going to fix this opening up here. Okay, right now my hot water is on fire and by now it should be ready. So let's go to the kitchen, because that's where we'll be doing most of the work today. Okay guys, so my water is boiling. Now I'm going to pour some leave-in conditioner into the water. That is what I believe is going to repair my hair. Okay, and let it boil for some time. Okay, so now I'm going to dip my hair into the water. And I'm going to be using this, something that is no longer in use. I'm going to be using this to stir the hair whilst it's in the water. Okay. So now I'm going to leave my hair to simmer or boil for some time. Okay. Yes. Okay guys, so after 15 minutes later, oh my god, this is so hot. I'm going to use my shampoo and then condition it and wrap it in a polythene bag and leave it for some time, just as in my other video, which I think you guys should check out. Okay, so now I'm going to rinse my leave-in conditioner out and dry my hair. Please don't dry this hair in the sun. Okay, dry it in an airy place, but not. Okay guys, so I had to wait for a whole day before this hair got air dried. I told you guys that don't be drying your hairs in the sun. Okay, that's a bad practice. Okay, so I've straightened the hair, and as you can see, it's looking a little bit softer than before. Okay, yeah, so I think the boiling method works for human fiber hair as well. So you guys, if you have your human fiber hairs, don't be throwing them away. Put them on fire, cook them, boil them, and you get your hair back. Yeah. Okay, so I said we are going to fix this thing. So you take your concealer and then just pass it through the line. This pattern is not like a closure pattern, okay? It's a fake closure scalp. That is why it is looking big. It used to be small. The opening used to be small, but as time went on, it has opened up, okay? So, yes. So whenever you apply your foundation or your concealer on the middle or on your closure, don't forget to use your mascara to pass over the hair in case the concealer is bleeding. When I say bleeding, I mean like it has gotten onto the hair. So in case the concealer has gotten on the hair, the mascara can fix that. So you just do this so that it works well. So when I was fixing this wig, I didn't have money to buy closure, and the hair didn't come with the closure. That was why I decided to make my own closure. Okay guys, this was the first wig that I made my own closure on, so it's quite understandable, and that was like 2 years ago. So please forgive me if you do not like the closure that you are seeing, but in a way it's still looking dope. Okay, because normally even if I have a normal closure, I like to pat it to open up a little. I don't like my closures looking small. To me, it doesn't look natural. Okay, so guys, this is my hair now. I hope I help somebody revive their... What is that sound? It doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Okay guys, I hope I helped somebody revive their synthetic hair, and thank you so much for watching my video. Don't be throwing your hairs away, okay guys, because like you can't be wasting money just like that. Revive them. If you have to cook them, cook them. If you have to oh my shouting if you have to put the hair on fire for as long as you want. But mind you, I cooked this hair for less than 30 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm not sure you have to cook your hair for more than 30 minutes. Well, you can end up destroying your hair, so at least between 30 minutes. Yes, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and also thank you for sharing on all your social media platforms. Don't forget to follow my business page on IG at frames.hair, and also my fan page at the Real Frame Bye.